Okay, fourth grade. Now you're also going to need to make today what we call a doorknob model, and it's just very simply an axle and one wheel. Okay, and so I will take this apart and I will show you what parts you need and how to build it. Okay, for the first part of this project, you're going to need two 4x12s. Okay, so two identical ones, and then you'll need one of these little connectors that has the 5 holes in it, and it has like this little like groove on the one side. Okay, and it has two little pegs on the end. Then you'll also need two of the small little blue pegs. Once you have those supplies, you're going to attach the blue pegs to the black here. Okay, and then once you have these blue pegs on here, all you're going to do is pick a spot somewhere in the middle of one of your 4x12s and then attach that, and then stand this one up next to it and slide it in so that you have like a T shape. Okay, and it should be able to stand on its own now. Okay, for the next part of the construction, you will just need two of these little grippers, and then two of the spacers, one large tire, and then one axle. You can use a long one or a short one. In this case, I'm using a short one. Either way is fine. Okay. To build the axle and the wheel, you're going to take the axle, put it into the middle of the wheel. Then you're going to attach the gripper, like the little rubber gripper, to this side, and then push it all the way up against the tire. Okay. Oh, I forgot a piece. Sorry. Just kidding. You're also going to want actually, that's right. Sorry. You're going to put that in back in. Sorry, I was right. And then you're going to put one of the spacers, okay? And then you're going to attach it to the stand-up part of your model. And then the next spacer is going to go on the back side of the, and then you're also going to need the gripper to hold it on, okay? You're going to want to push it pretty tight and make sure that it spins freely. Okay, it's not the sturdiest thing, so if it doesn't, you might have to have someone hold the base while you spin. Okay, so you'll use this as you investigate the wheel and axle doorknob model. And this is your doorknob part, and then this is your axle when it talks about spinning them. Okay.